Update: my spoiled sister is out of jail and now she expects me to give her everything to start her life over. A few months had passed since my sister's dramatic visit, and her presence in my life had dwindled to a distant memory. My brothers continued to live with me, working and saving up to eventually set out on their own. Things were relatively peaceful, and the drama my sister had caused felt like a nightmare that had finally passed. I had come to terms with the fact that she would never change, and I was determined not to be an enabler any longer. But as time went by, and I hadn't heard from my sister, I started to wonder about her whereabouts. Had she really moved on as she claimed, or was she just plotting her next move? The nagging uncertainty festered in the back of my mind. Then, a strange turn of events occurred when I decided to take a week-long vacation to clear my head and give my brothers some space to relax in the house. I figured it would be a good opportunity for me to unwind and leave behind the constant concerns of my sister's erratic behavior. Little did I know, my vacation would set in motion a chain of events that would leave me in shock and disbelief. As I returned home from my trip, I was met with a sight that I couldn't have imagined in my wildest dreams. My sister had not only returned but had effectively taken over my house. She was squatting there, calling it her own,